chose Broadlawns because, first of all, I loved the people. I think a lot of the residents here would say that their interview with Dr. Sievert was absolutely amazing, our program director, and he was one of the big reasons that Broadlawns was attractive to me.
I actually liked Broadlawns so much I chose it twice. So I did my residency training here and now I'm a faculty physician. Initially, I was first introduced to Broadlawns during my medical school training. I did an internal medicine rotation here as a third-year medical student, and I just absolutely loved everything about my rotation here. I learned so much from the residents, from the attendings. At the end of my third year, I started kind of reflecting on why Broadlawns was so great, and it made it really easy for me to choose family medicine. It made me really easy to choose Broadlawns as a training facility because I knew the residents I would be working with were great. They were turning out great doctors, and it was the type of support that I would need to go through the training.
I love the hospital's mission and dedication to the community. So we serve a population that's really unique in Des Moines. We have a lot of immigrants, displaced people, refugees, people of different colors and cultures.
You get great support not only from your family med faculty and your co-residents, but the entire faculty of Broadlawns. They all want you to be here. They want you to learn. They want you to become really good doctors because they know Broadlawns has a really good reputation of training doctors. They want to fulfill that. The other thing that makes it great is the resources that the residents have. There's an endless amount of food. There's an amazing library and librarian. There's a gym. There's great sleep rooms. There's apartments that your best friends are just literally 2 blocks away, that if you need to just go home, take a nap, you're too tired to drive home, there's always a couch over there. You have great support from your ancillary staff, whether it's nursing, whether it's your program director, assistant. Everyone wants you to do well, and everyone will always be rooting for you.
If I was applying to residency and coming into a new work environment, COVID has kind of changed the face of medicine where we are right now, I think I would be a little nervous. That's one of the things I've so appreciated about Broadlawns is, first of all, the leadership our administration has taken and how seriously they took COVID. I have never felt unsafe. I've never been asked to go into a room without proper PPE. I've never been asked to do things that I was uncomfortable with from a personal protective equipment standpoint, and that's something that I've really appreciated about how Broadlawns has handled the COVID epidemic. I have a job when I graduate in a rural town in Iowa. I'm going to be doing a clinic job with OBs, so delivering babies, and I think any new grad wouldn't say that they're completely ready, but I do feel that my training at Broadlawns has prepared me so well.